today with another video. But before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you aren't subscribed, then make sure you turn those notifications on because you do not want to miss out on any of my videos. You may have seen this unit already in a comparison video that I just recently did. Hopefully you've already seen it, but it is a video featuring HergivenHair and also Wings by Hergiven. And I showed you guys the Something About Mary unit, but I wanted to come back and show you guys this unit with a twist out. Yes. And also kind of give you guys a little bit more details as far as this unit goes. This is a Something About Mary. Once again, this is a 4x4 closure unit. I've already cut the lace because I've already showed this. If you guys want to see me cut the lace off, and also if you want to see what it looks like as a wash and go, I'm going to leave like a little video or picture on the side so you can see it, but also make sure to go and check out that video. But yeah, this unit comes with 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, and your adjustable strap, and then there is the closure area. I did not bleach the knots on this unit, so the knots are a bit dark in certain areas. And the other thing that I did was add some lace tint to the very front of this lace, because when I put it on the first time, I could still see like a little bit of lace, and I did not want that to happen. And one thing that I did want to mention is that this unit pretty much comes pre-styled and ready to go. I will leave some unboxing on the side also, and it's supposed to have like a bang area, but mine did not come with a lot of that short bang in the front, so I'm gonna see if I can try to trim some up to give you guys like a look of what it's supposed to look like, but we're gonna get to that. But today I think that I'm going to just add my wig grip on and then just bobby pin the sides versus having to spray adhesive. So I'm just gonna put my wig grip on. Actually, I can move my cap back some. So I'm just gonna put my wig grip on. And yes, I still use my wig grip all the time, especially when I want a glueless look and I don't want to have to worry about anything. And then I'm going to just go ahead and slip this on, and I'm not gonna worry about tightening up the straps in the back, just because when I have the wig grip on, it's really not too much needed. It comes pre-styled in the middle. I left it like that, and then I'm just going to grab these bobby pins. I like to use bobby pins for extra security. I'm also making sure my wig grip did not roll up, because sometimes it does happen when you put it on. Front of the hairline, I mean, it's pre-plucked, but it's not like super pre-plucked. It's pre-plucked enough. I'm just scooting that up. Yes, I did just pull my wig up. This is what the twist is looking like, really nice and juicy. I want to say this is about 85% dry. It's more dry up here than in the back area, but the twists seem to be dried out pretty well. And for the twist, I did style this using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. I like this, but I feel like it runs out really quick. Like, I only use it on 3 units and I'm already out. So I'm gonna have to try it again to see what I really think about it. But I mean, I feel like it did a really good job. We'll see once I untwist it. And I am gonna show you guys a quick clip of me styling this unit. Just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times. You saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice. Baby, I apologize. So pick up your line. Every text I sent was read, so I know that you ain't dead. If you just let me explain, we can minimize the pain. So you're posting on the gram. I even tried to call your fam. Go ahead and work on twisting out this hair, and I'm just going to be using a little bit of my Garnier Fructise Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum, because this hair is very thick, and the more you kind of fluff it up and play with it, it is going to get frizzy if you just continually run your fingers. So I don't want it to get frizzy too quick. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and work on twisting this out, and then you guys will see the final results. Alright, so I am done styling this unit, and I took my twist out. I even cut down some of the hair in the front, and it came out really cute. I actually prefer this twisted out versus wearing it as a wash and go, because I feel like I have a bit more control over how full the unit looks. And I also like that it just doesn't feel too heavy with this twisted out, because when I did the wash and go, I feel like it was a bit too heavy on my head. It did not feel as lightweight, but this feels really nice. Now, as you guys can see, I did go ahead and chop some bangs down in the front. The picture on the website, it does show that it comes with shorter bangs, but like I said, I only had like one piece and it was too long to be considered a bang, so I just decided to cut a little bit down. I did not want to cut it too much because I still wanted to be able to rock this to the side if I need to. But if you want to kind of push these over a little bit more, you can. I did not want to push them over my eyes too much because they would interfere with my lashes. But I think it looks really good because I was nervous about cutting them down because I did not want to mess anything up. But I'm happy I did not go too short. Hair feels very soft. Even when I did the wash and go, it felt great also. And I used the same product to do the wash and go as I did doing the twist out. And one thing I do like about this product is that it does not feel sticky after having it on my hands. Some of the products that I have here that are mousses, they feel great, but they do feel sticky after I am done styling the hair. And so I like this. And then I like that it does not leave like a heavy film over the hair, and it doesn't make it feel weighed down. So twisting this hair out is definitely a go for me. I am loving the fresh twist out look. Now I kind of teased it up a little bit in the back just to give it a little bit more volume, but I could have just kind of picked it apart more because I did not do like small twists throughout this hair. They were a little bit smaller in the front, but in the back part they were kind of big because I was just trying to rush and get it over with. But I like the outcome of it. It looks really good. What I do love about this unit is that it does have different lengths. It's 14, 16, 18. So it's supposed to be 14 in the front, a little bit shorter, 16, and then 18 at the bottom. And the reason why I like that is because I feel like it gives the hair some shape. So it's just not on you way down. It just frames my face and feels like it belongs there. Like I didn't really have to do too much except for kind of cut this in the front area, but other than that, I mean it looks good. I didn't have to go in and trim any extra pieces off on this unit. End up using my caramel tint from the company Tailored Crowns, and I only sprayed right here in the front area, and I feel like it blends down well. Like I said, I did not use any type of adhesive. I just have on my wig grip and some bobby pins, and I don't feel like the unit is going to go anywhere. I feel very secure with it on. It is a closure unit, and you guys know I always say that I would prefer a closure unit over a frontal unit because for everyday wear, when it comes to me putting on my wigs, this is exactly how I rock them, with the wig grip and the bobby pins. I ain't got to do too much, and I don't want to do too much, especially when I am in a hurry. As far as shedding and tangling goes, I did go ahead and wash this unit again using my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. During the washing process, the second go around, I did notice a little bit more shedding, but during the styling process, I did not notice it too much this time around. And then of course, when I took the twist out, I really didn't notice any shedding. I mean, besides me having to cut down the bang area, and I'll show you guys how much hair I cut down because it really wasn't a lot. This is how much I cut down. It really wasn't too much, but besides up in that area, I didn't notice any more shedding. And as far as tangling goes, I mean, this is a coily texture unit. You are going to have to maintain this unit. It is going to be considered high maintenance. I mean, there's just no getting around it with this type of texture. Just like you are going to take care of your own natural hair, you would have to put some TLC to this one, but I do feel like this is a really great protective style. But other than that, guys, I really don't have too much more to say about this unit. I am really feeling the twist out, and I do like that I cut the hair down shorter in the front. I just feel like it frames it perfectly. Let me know which style you are feeling. Are you feeling this one, or are you feeling the wash and go look? And also, do not forget to check out the comparison video if you have not checked it out already. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.